Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaste, Namaskar. Pagavadi Sekimuthu from Mumbai, Muthu Baba in Kanyakumari. Yesterday, announcement of RBI 2.11 lakh crore rupees to be paid dividend to Government of India. The same news. And one more, all North India channels predicted BJP will form stable government third term. The result will out 4th June. Both these two news floated in market, RBI also and this also. When they will give check, no idea. All stop loss about 22,720 triggered yesterday and high 22,993 and close to 22,967, 350 point yesterday closed. Today also opened almost flat, 22,957 low 908 and high after half an hour, 1 hour move to high level break 23,006 and also consolidated 22,940, 22,990 level up to 1 o'clock and again also hitted 23,026 fresh all-time high and finally settled 22,957 down just 10 points. This just 10 point minus Nifty IT as far as 200 points are down. Nifty FMCG 450 points are down. Auto down. Metal down. Except Bank Nifty 200 points up. Nifty Bank saved today's Nifty fall or Nifty may be 100 points down today. One thing about 23,000 yesterday also given all whatever the positive news there is an outcome of Lok Sabha election on 4th June irrespective of predictions full majority government or coalition government or BJP or India Alliance or Hague Parliament all factored in current level about 23,000. Maybe tomorrow means next week, Monday to Friday next week, 30th May settlement. Maybe Nifty will move 23,000 maximum 260 to 90, I think so. Reason, whatever it may be all above yesterday or today, about 23,000, 23,300, straddle CEP all created a lot of things. Also, derivative 23,000 to current 23,000 above created short position with not more than 200, 300 points next week, but in consolidated weekly chart, Nifty and Bank Nifty clearly indicating once again 22,860 moving below, 22,120 will hit first, then 21,820 3 weeks before that also will hit, and finally 21,520 might target if Hague Parliament or coalition government or BJP out. Whatever it may be, reason 21,520 will act very strong support after announcement of Lok Sabha election. This is the downside. Maximum upside it will move 23,290, not more than 23,461. Nifty also today opened 48,900 plus and moved above 49,060 or 70 level, but drastically down, move up, down, move up, finally settled 48,900 plus 200 point plus close today. Bank Nifty up move will terminate 49,360, 49,640, not more than this. Reason, a Nifty IT and Nifty FMCG dragging Nifty to below. Only saver is a Bank Nifty. So take care of your position accordingly. Nifty not more than 49,660. Last time shorted, hitted 49,976, hardly 17-16 points away from 50,000. Almost FODO derivative crossed 50,000 also. Now on weekly considered closing chart, 50 is a trend down in sloping moving. So this is very cause of concern. Bank Nifty, one day Nifty will go up, Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG will down. Next day the same will be on vice versa. So this is only for Nifty and Bank Nifty the market will move, and the rest today all sectors in red except Bank Nifty. Hardly 10-15 points of other sectors, that is okay. But in future, small cap, all BSU bank, BSU public sector enterprises, all are appreciated 200, 300, 400 percent. Up move will be further performance of first, second, third quarter financial year 24-25. One. Second thing, lot of public sector enterprises, public sector finance, irrespective of all public sector companies appreciated, further appreciation will be limited due to whatever result, final fourth quarter result, that is okay, but not exceptional. Normally, ordinary how it will be year on year basis, quarter on quarter basis, so okay. But two companies are still very strong. That is one REC. They mobilized fund for disbursement nearly 1.5 lakh crore rupees from banks and 6 lakh crores from fundraising for financial year 24-25, and also this time results also super result. So buy hold every quarter you will get it 25, 30, 40%, not more than this. Don't expect any multi-bagger stock within a year time 300, 400 percentage. That is very difficult. Okay. In technical, already given, Bank Nifty intraday, it may move 23,000. That is the last two candles. 23,060, 23,120, 23, 222.60, not more than 290. That is the upper slab is resistance, but downtrend next week 22,860 will hit. Today 22,908 low in opening session, but 22,930 is actual low in a movement. So next week 22,860 moving below, step by step it will hit 22,790, 22,690 also. So once three support are very important for next day, again move below 22,690, then the target already given in powerful action group. So and Bank Nifty also the same level. Maximum level it will move 49,660 or 49,560. Downside maybe 48,560. Step by step 48,360. Once closing below 48,360, it will hit 47,600. Keep it in mind. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe and enjoy free technical analysis every day, weekend, Friday also.